show. It's been forever. But something recently occurred that was awesome.
Yeah, we got 5 subscribers.
Yeah.
FC Barcelona 980. Post another one.
Yet one more, Tommy Price and John Tanner. Thank you guys.
You rock. Yeah.
So
we also we started mini-sodes.
Yeah, and we're gonna work on that today.
If we wear the same clothes, it's not because we're dirty, because we're doing it all on the same day, just in case we can't, get together.
Yeah.
We also recently got
Twitter, Yahoo, and Facebook.
Right.
So you guys can follow us on that if you don't want to message us on YouTube.
They're a little bit different though.
So
Yahoo is the Orange Ninja at 1111@yahoo.com, and then what?
There's a lizard.
Nichols looking at the lizard. That preoccupied me. YouTube is, of course, what you know. Yahoo is what I just told you. Facebook is the Orange Ninja 1111@yahoo.com. It's like it's not at yahoo.com, but it's a page. It's not like a friend request.
And
just like us on your page.
Talking about Twitter.
Twitter, huh?
Twitter is Orange Ninja 1111 because someone took the Orange Ninja 1111.
They're mean.
For some reason, I don't know why you would want that YouTube name.
I know, because it's awesomely taken.
Yeah. So,
but we're gonna get stop boring you guys and go ahead and do with the Dare Show.
Let's go.
Get it on.
So, do you want to go first?
Yeah, I can. Okay, Nikolai, I dare you to, I'm kind of going to take this, it's like a little stunt kind of, but if you guys have any stunts you want us to do that won't have us kill ourselves or hurt us badly, go ahead and message us those. We check all our things every day. We're going to be checking Facebook, Yahoo, YouTube every day, and Twitter. And you guys can follow us there. We won't be posting videos though to any of those because there's a bug on your shoulder. Get it off.
It's a ladybug.
And anyways, but we won't be posting there. We will just be posting videos here. We might post sneak.
Stop moving.
I fell in this hole. We might post sneak previews, but I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, my first dare for Nick. This person sent us a message about piggyback rides, and I'm going to kind of take that and run with it. So I would challenge Nick, I dare you to give me a piggyback ride.
You just got done saying stuff that won't hurt us. You're fat.
And then he has to ride me around like a dog.
What?
Yeah.
You can't do two.
Or a horse. Yes, I can.
Oh my goodness.
That sounds bad though. Ride me around like a horse. Okay, tell me what.
Okay. No, that's what she said. Okay.
Okay, what do you dare me to do?
I'm gonna be mean now. I dare you to spin around 10 times, and then do 5 cartwheels.
That's stupid.
So you have to do it now. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, cartwheel. 1.
That was an awful.
2. 3.
Equilibrium.
4. You gotta get up. Do one more. Get up. You got one more. Okay.
I did it.
Okay.
Tell us what you think.
So, yeah, please remember to rate and subscribe.
Check us out on all our new pages.
And yeah, peace.